Let's have a look at another example of a dot and cross diagram for our covalent compound. This time I'm going to have a look at oxygen. Remember that covalent bonding happens between two non-metals only, so it's not going to be any metals involved. I'm only having a look at non-metals, and we're going to have a look at oxygen. So oxygen's atomic number is 16. That means it has 16 electrons. But I'm going to omit out the inner shells here. I don't really want to draw them just because it's going to get really messy. And for us right now, only the outer shell electrons are relevant. And remember, oxygen is in group 6. That means it has 6 electrons in its outer shell. So 6 electrons in the outer shell. And here, this is incomplete, so it's unstable. Incomplete, therefore unstable. And same for this other oxygen as well. So let's give them a covalent bond just to see how it works. And remember, covalent bond is sharing 2 electrons. I've shared one of my crosses, so I have 5 remaining, which I'm going to draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've used one of my dots for the sharing, and I'm going to have 5 remaining. 1. Okay, let's see if this works. Well, this oxygen outer shell now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. 7 electrons. Actually, it's still incomplete outer shell. Therefore, it's still unstable. So we might have to get it to share a couple more electrons. Let's see if I can get it to share another pair of electrons. So it was already sharing 1. I'm going to get it to share another pair, so 1 electron from each oxygen atom. So now I've used 2 of my crosses. I'm going to have 4 left. I've used 2 of my dots. I'm going to have 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's have a look. This oxygen outer shell has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons in this outer shell, therefore it's complete. Therefore it's now stable. So oxygen is a molecule that has double covalent bond and exists like this because it's sharing 2 pairs of electrons. Just not 1 pair, sharing 2 pairs of electrons. I've just abbreviated my electrons as E. Therefore it's sharing 4 electrons.